All right, well, today is the day that they come and build the walls down here. So let's do one last recap so we can see what the before is like. Remembering Peter didn't get the framing completed, and those three are not straight, and he was going to fix them. Anyway, now the plumber, he wasn't very tidy or very good because he caused a leak. So if you look down here, he's kind of ruined the floors a little bit. And additionally, which I'm going to take off now, he said that this was normal and needed to stay on. Whatever, we're going to take that off. There we go. All right, let's look for the mechanism for the barn door and the handles so that they can put a handle on. And guess what? I just found them. You know, I just look at this and think, could have been a great exercise room. And maybe it will still be. But I won't be doing the renovation, I don't think. Cleaned the carpets yesterday. Look at how nice that turned out. Just like new. Now, in the bathroom, barn door, I think they'll be finished everything today, which will be amazing. So let's see how the day progresses. One thing that they've noticed, but when Peter put these up, no, do not adjust your screen. They are crooked. When they went up and he looked at it and he's like, I don't know how I did that. I measured it. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, watch that lip, sorry. Site safety message. Been a very big day. I'm quite excited to show you, so let me show you. I know it's not fancy walls and everything like that, but it is a bathroom and you can use it privately. So what we have is that is the back door that takes you outside. I'll just show you. Oops, I must have locked it. So that takes you outside, which is handy for moving things. And then that is the waste pipe. Now there's enough space there that if someone wanted to build the wall across here and take that wall out, you could put a shower in here, and it's big enough to put that in. It would just need to be on a bit of a pedestal because you've got to have the pipe that goes in down here. So if you were building a shower, you would connect into here and just get a new one of those. Easy peasy. So there's that. And the best part about it is you don't sit on the toilet and somebody outside see you now, which is super cool. And there is a barn door on it. So it closes and you have that door, which is really great. And we lined the outside of this. The reason that Peter and I had decided not to do that was he was going to put nogs in here with hooks and hang tools, or potentially we could put like the electric yard tools and stuff in the winter and just hang them here and then they were out of the way. Or the other thing he thought of doing was he could hang like his level and put a screwdriver thing in there, which made it really handy. So if we come in here, this room, if you want, you can drywall. So it is ready to go. Completely and utterly done now. And it's fully insulated. It is looking really good. I'm really pleased with it. And again, this is just, what do? You're not sure what you're going to do, so you have a bathroom and it's private, which I think is really, really cool. Well, one part of the bathroom was done, and now I have a problem. And I know, don't even look at the inside of that toilet tank. I've cleaned it. It doesn't flush. So my plan for today is to go get the parts for that and watch a couple of YouTube videos and get it fixed. Well, that wasn't as hard as I thought. Oh my gosh, the whole thing's just disintegrating. All right. So, I need to get this off. Maybe a pair of scissors. Okay, so that sits in there. That's got to go on there. If it goes in here like this, oh, that's got to go over that. Shoot. Okay, that has to come out. Nope. That's not going to work. Huh. I'm going to have to cut that. This is not going well. Let's do it like this. Take this off and put this in like this, and it goes down like that. And then these little thingies go like that. That's one. And then that one goes like that. That's it. Oh. Okay, I get it now. And this puppy goes on. Ugh. God, that toilet tank is disgusting. Let's do that and that. Okay. But let's just clean this because it's gross. Let's do. See if this works. If it works, I'm a genius. First things first, let's wash my hands. Okay, moment of truth. because that's where I learned how to do it.